G'day and welcome to another video. In today's video we are going to do a unboxing and we have some crochet hooks. They're already taken out of the box because they wouldn't fit in my screen. But it just comes in this plastic bag and I didn't want to take it out of that on camera because it's very noisy. It comes with a little tag which is the brand. Comes in this lovely case. It is a, what would you call it, like a vinyl, I would say. I'd say that would be water resistant, definitely. And you can see it's quite shiny. It's got beautiful blue, it's like a denim blue with polka dots. And we've got 2 zips on the side which go all the way around. So we're going to unzip and see what's inside. And it's got the brand on the front there. So let me know if you like this style of unboxing or if you would prefer it for me to be on camera and like the Tmoy unboxing that we did for the craft bag. But I'm just doing it this way just to change it up. So we are going to, if I do it that way you guys can see it better. Unzip it this way. And what is inside? Oh wow, lots of goodies. So we've got our crochet hooks on that side. You can see it's got a little compartment there. It's got 2 little zip up compartments. The first one has cute little stitch markers. Loads and loads of colours in there. We have a row counter. You just turn the numbers on the sides to count your rows. You put it all back to 0 and then obviously start. Got a little row counter, which is very handy if you've got lots of rows and you need to keep count, obviously. You can use it in knitting and crochet. And we've also got some, I think these are plastic yarn needles. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We've got 3 one size, 3 of another. And these are cable needles, so if you do knitting, you can use those for when you're knitting your cables. This is a crochet set, so why have we have knitting cables? I don't know. Can you use these in crochet? I don't think you can. But if you can, let me know. And we've got our crochet hooks here. Let's just grab one of these. And it has the size written on there. Hopefully you can see that. And it's a rubbery type crochet hook. Feels like it would be comfortable, depending on how you hold your crochet hook. I'm going to give these a go and see how they work. And are they plastic? I think that might be plastic. It's just like a shiny plastic. And I'm going to give these a go to see how they work, to see how they work with my hands, if they give me any hand cramps or anything. And what sizes do we have? Let's have a look. We have a size 2mm, 2.5, 3, 3.5, 4, 4.5, 5.5, sorry, yeah, 5.5, a 5mm, they've got those out of order, and a 6mm, which is our last one there. So you've got a huge range of different sizes. The price point for this is great. It's a cheaper set. Crochet hook sets can get quite expensive, so I wanted to review one that was in most people's budgets. So I'm just going to leave that stuff there to the side. Won't bother putting that back in. And let's unzip the other one. Oh, so we've got extra little hook slots, and I don't know what could go in there. It's quite skinny. I'm sure you could put something. Oh, if you have like really thin crochet hooks, you could put those in there, and it's got a little bit to make sure they don't get snagged on anything. And this side also has a little zip pocket. Sorry, no, it's not a zip pocket. Just a little pocket. Let's see what's in there. We have a needle gauge and a ruler. So that is used for knitting. Crochet doesn't work sometimes because you cannot get the crochet hook into the hole. Let's see what happens. 4mm, so we find 4mm. Yeah, see how it won't go in the hole? You need the one with the slots on the sides, so this is definitely a needle gauge for knitting. But it also has a ruler, and it has inches and centimetres on your ruler. We have a pair of scissors, they're cool. Where's the opening? So you just got a pair of scissors, pull that open and just squeeze them together. So that's cool. It comes with a handy little protection thing there so you don't end up stabbing things. And we have a blue, cool colour tape measure. Does this work? There we go. And that has inches and centimetres on that. I love tape measures, can never have enough. And we also have some stitch holders, and again these are used when you do knitting for any stitches that you need to put on hold. You could use them to hold two pieces of crochet work together if you were joining something together. I think that would work. Let me know if you've got any other ideas what you could use those for in crochet. So this is a crochet and knitting case, mostly used for crochet because obviously you've got all your crochet hooks. These stitch markers definitely come in handy when you crochet, and so do your scissors and your ruler if you're going to use that for gauge. So yeah, I really like this one. It's got lots of stuff in it. And you can always add things to it if you've got all your little notions and things laying around. And like I said, there's plenty of room here to put other things in. You could put knitting needles into these slimmer ones, and you could put your cables maybe in there. That would totally work. But yeah, I really like it. I know I'm already mixing up where the stuff came from. I've already put my stitch markers over there. Hey, should we put it back where it was? Is that really annoying someone? But yeah, great little set. Like I said, a really great price point, which is really good. You get so many things. I'll just pop them there. You get so many things in one little package. So I really like those. Again, I'll put a link in for you. There will be an affiliate link in the description box over to my website post. And affiliate links, they help me keep my content coming out for you, because I earn a little commission off any purchase that you made via that link. It doesn't cost you any extra, it just comes out of the total, and I get a little bit of commission. Like I said, helps me keep all my content coming to you guys, which is what I want to do. So I hope you enjoyed that little review. That was just the unboxing review, and I will be taking this away with me, and I will be using one of the crochet hooks on one of the patterns I'm going to be working on. And hopefully I can get back to you reasonably soon and let you know how I went with using this product. I love the case. The case is lovely. Easy clean too, you could easily wipe that off. Thanks for watching guys, till next time, happy crochet. Bye.